Hey guys, welcome to Geek Workshop. In today's video, I am going to show you one element that for many students of English is a very big problem. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's begin. So like I said, in today's video, I am going to show you that element that is a very difficult one for many students of English, not only here, but in many parts. When we talk or when we speak in English, one element that is very typical for us teachers is that students, in most cases, they have problems with the fluency of the language. They know the language, they know English in a way, but when they speak that language in a specific, the way that they speak sounds very basic, not fluent, not normal, not natural. And it's because these students, they are missing something. That element is called connectors. Something that we use in any language, English, Spanish, French, Italian, any language, connectors. Today, I am going to show you 3 examples of connectors with one example, one sentence per connector. Are you ready? Let's go. So let me show you the first connector. However. Okay? However. The next one. Besides, okay? And the last one, actually. Okay, 3 connectors. Now, I am going to show you 3 examples with each connector. One sentence per connector. Let's go. Take a look. I like movies. However, I prefer books. I like movies. However, I prefer books. Second example. Take a look. That restaurant is very good. Besides, the location is outstanding. Once again, that restaurant is very good. Besides, the location is outstanding. And the last connector, or in this case, the last sentence is this. Oh my God! Leo DiCaprio is so hot. And her friend says this. Yep, he was actually my sister's acting coach. Once again, oh my God, Leo DiCaprio is so hot. Yep, his friend responds. Yep, he was actually my sister's acting coach. However, besides, actually. Careful. Actually. This word or this connector, actually. Careful, because the translation from English to Spanish is not actualmente. actualmente. This doesn't mean that. It doesn't mean actualmente. Okay? Careful. Careful. So guys, before we finish, if you enjoy the content of Geek Workshop, simple, easy, hit that button, subscribe, share the content, turn the notifications on. In that way, you will receive information in advance of all the content of Geek Workshop. English capsules, comic book reviews, comic book readings, fairy tale readings, short stories. And also, don't forget, you can also find shorts here in Geek Workshop. My friends, thank you very much for being here, and I hope to see you again. Have a nice rest of the week and the day, of course. So long, take care, bye-bye.